If your PS Vita's language settings is set to Japanese or any other language, so you want to change it back to English, then this is how to do it. First, you'll need to find the settings bubble that will have a suitcase icon. Then to open it, press X, and if it's Japanese, then you will have to press the circle. Or you can also tap on it to open. Now from this page, you'll need to find a book icon that has the letter A written on it. This is our language settings. After that, you'll need to choose the top option, and voila! Now you can change back to English or any other language that you prefer. And after selecting your language, on the pop-up, press the right button. And that's how you change your PS Vita system language. Leave a thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you soon.